Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change my monthly billing information in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. I'd like you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Now, Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to change your monthly billing information in Best Buy. Now, for you to be eligible for monthly billing in Best Buy, then you need to sign up to the upgraded versions or upgraded membership plans for Best Buy. And one of the plans that actually bills monthly is the Gig Squad protection. Okay, so here you go. Just head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on Hi Amanda. So let's say you subscribe to any of the pro plans. That's the Best Buy, any of the Best Buy pro plans. There are three. So apart from the free, there are two more. So let's say you subscribe to any of the pro plans. This is where you can find your plans. So here you go. From this extended window, you're going to have to click on plans and subscriptions for you to find your plans and subscriptions. So in there, if you subscribe to any of the pro plan that bills you monthly, then you'll be able to make changes to your plan right here from this window. So I cannot make changes to this plan because it's just my Best Buy membership, just like the regular membership. But then if you subscribe to any of the plan, you can see Buy membership, Best Buy membership, subscription and protection terms and conditions. So if you subscribe to any of the plans, you see them here, so you'll be able to make changes to your monthly billing. So here's another way, which is the Gig Squad protection. Head over to your search bar using any browser of your choice and type in bestbuy.com/services/monthly billing. Now your Gig Swap protection monthly payment. So enter your info to update your Gig Swap protection, loss and theft or complete plan monthly payments method and keep your coverage going. So over here, enter your protection plan number. That's after you've activated your Gig Squad protection plan. Then enter your last name, your zip code and your card number. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on submit. Once you click on submit, then you have access to a window where you can now be able to change your monthly billing information and everything you need to do in your Gig Squad protection plan. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can change your monthly billing info. That's your monthly billing Gig Squad information or your monthly billing information at any of the plans that you have subscribed to in Best Buy. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.